自7月5日新疆流血事件以来，新疆的局势发展受到全球各界的关注。7月15日，新一届的欧洲议会在法国的斯特拉斯堡召开全体大会，专门讨论新疆问题。欧盟委员会和欧盟理事会也参加了此次辩论。
欧洲议会政党代表和众多议员要求中共政府必须尊重人权和少数民族权利，检讨现今的少数民族政策。欧盟应对此尽快采取行动。欧洲议会中国代表团成员、绿党议员图鲁贝女士说
：“That's a big failure of Chinese politics, and they really have to change. Otherwise, they will not find an internal peace.”
中共当局宣称这些维吾尔族人是分裂主义分子，是罪犯。对此，图鲁贝议员并不认同。
That are people who want to live in peace. They want fight for human rights. That's perfectly okay to fight for human rights and for minority rights. And therefore, I think it's the duty, the political duty of the European Parliament to say very clearly what is going on and to call for human rights within China.
左翼联盟党副主席、欧洲议会主席候选人之一的斯文森女士认为
I think that the Parliament, the whole EU, has a great responsibility to discuss and say we can never accept this violence for human rights. I hope that the whole Parliament will take a very, very strong resolution and say it's not acceptable.
欧盟委员会呼吁各方通过对话而不是流血来和平解决问题。新唐人记者李兹、黄宇轩，法国斯特拉斯堡报道。